Struggling with garden tools that just don't cut it anymore? A dull blade not only makes your work harder, it can actually harm your plants. Today I'll show you how to easily maintain and sharpen your tools so they last longer, work better, and keep your garden thriving. Whether you're pruning, digging, or trimming, well-maintained tools make all the difference. Let's dive into the easy steps I use to keep my garden tools in top condition, without expensive equipment. Sharp, clean tools cut cleanly, prevent plant damage, and save your hands from extra strain. Neglected tools rust, dull, and wear out faster, costing you more money in the long run. Start by removing dirt and sap. A wire brush works wonders, and for sticky residue use a little soapy water. Always dry your tools completely to prevent rust. This step is just as important as sharpening. Now, sharpening basics. Use a sharpening stone or a simple hand file. Hold your blade at the original bevel angle, usually around 20 to 30 degrees, and make smooth, even strokes in one direction. Flip and repeat if needed. Once sharpened, coat metal parts lightly with oil to prevent rust. Don't forget the handles. A quick rub with linseed oil keeps wooden grips from drying and cracking. I've used the same pair of shears for over a decade. With regular cleaning, sharpening, and oiling, they still cut like the day I bought them. Maintenance really pays off. Store tools in a dry spot, preferably hung up so moisture doesn't collect. Even the best sharpening job won't last if your tools are sitting in damp soil or grass. Take a little time to care for your garden tools and they'll take care of your garden. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and join the family for more sustainable gardening tips.